Okay, so what we have here is the Matter Inform 3D laser scanner. And right now we're just doing a test here, scanning an already 3D printed image. We're going to combine that technology over here with what we just got donated, which was the Sprout G1 workstation. Basically, I'm running a couple scans, and they're going to mesh them together. But basically what the kids are going to do for social studies is they are going to create an object out of clay or other materials, a historical artifact based on what we've studied. They're going to make their own kind of hands-on 3D printed museum. So we're just figuring out the logistics, but I'm going to teach them every step of the way the tech too, because I think knowing the tech is just as important as learning about the content. So that's where the real creativity comes in and the design comes in. So right now I'm teaching myself just through play, but the hope is that the kids can go through every step of the process here, from laser scan to cleaning it up on the workstation over to 3D printing it on the Zortrex. So yeah.